Hey guys, Hope Savara here, and I'm at one of the TA Petro Stay Fit locations that have a fitness center. I'm in the fitness center, I'm working with the weight machine, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy lat pull down. And I'll show you two versions, one with a squat and one standing. You're going to feel upper back, shoulders, and core. Imagine what just one quick move, 5 minutes of your time that you would spend in a place like this, how much better you would feel physically, mentally, and emotionally. All right, so we're gonna grab hold of the pulley. I like just a single arm or single handle, but you can choose what you like. You're gonna step back. You want a resistance that's challenging. I'm gonna start with a squat, feet forward, and I'm gonna pull straight down towards my pelvis. So nice deep breath in, shoulders pull back, core is strong, pull it down and in towards yourself. And then back up again. Nice deep breath in. Whew. Nice work. So that was the squat version, and now I'm going to show you the standing version. I'm just going to adjust the weight a little bit lighter for myself, and I'm going to stand back, try to keep my body nice and tall, feet are a little bit wide, and the same thing again. I'm going to pull it towards me. So I'm going to come down and in, back up nice and slow. You should feel glutes firing, core firing, and obviously shoulders and arms. I'm trying to keep the folds of my elbows from turning in towards my body. And you know the drill, we're looking at 1, 2, or 3 sets of 10. Adjust the weight accordingly so that we're looking for form and function, not just to have the biggest muscles in town, but every little bit counts. Thank you, TA Petro, for all of your Stay Fit efforts. For more information, check us out on Facebook and Instagram, Mother Trucker Yoga, or Travel Centers of America for more information.